Hey, good morning guys. It's another great day on the Trans-America Trail. We just broke camp here at Betsy's something or other campground thing.
Country store
And
campground.
And you know, the struggle is real. So instead of just getting on and riding, I got to get the drone up, got to get it set up to get our departure, and then we'll ride down the road a little bit, shoot a couple of shots, land it, pack it, and then we can get on the road.
And all of this is Chris's fault.
Jason, you better stay in the lead since that's where we started.
Okay.
Don't go too far, because that opening is where we're going to ride through.
Speed up, Steve. All right, tuck on behind him, Jason.
All right.
I wonder if when Jason edits this, if he's going to include some of these director requests on his video.
Roll, B-roll.
Staging the shot.